Okay, so now we're going to talk about different things that you can use on Socrative. So I signed in on my phone to my room. So you can see students in room 1, that's me. So let's say I'm the teacher and also the student, but whatever. Okay, so let's say I'm the teacher and I ask the student, on a scale of A to E, how well did you think you did on that question? And what they can do is it'll give me the option to press A, B, C, D, or E. And so I'm going to press A, meaning I really got it. Okay, so my response goes through, and this is what the teacher's screen would look like. Okay, so that would be the end of my activity. Now you can use a true false. So let's say you can say the earth is square, and on my screen as a student it says choose an answer, true, false. So I'm going to press false. Okay, and here again the teacher's screen looks like this. I'm going to press end activity. You can also do a short answer question. So for example, let's see, I could say, tell me what you learned in class today. And you can get unlimited student responses. You can require their names, so you can press start activity. So this is what your screen will look like. My screen says please enter your name, so I'm going to enter my name and press continue on my student clicker. Now my screen on my student clicker says tell me what you learned in class today, and I'll say I learned that the earth is not square shaped. And I'm going to press submit. So now I have the option to add another answer, but I'm not going to do that. Now my answer comes up right here. I can press end activity, and I'm going to press no report. Okay, now down here you can do an exit ticket. So this says get an end of class pulse check. So let's click on that. Okay, so here we go again. I'm the student. So completed exit ticket. Now my screen on my student clicker says please enter your last name and then your first name. So I'll do that. Submit. Okay, now my first question on my exit ticket says, how well did you understand today's material? So I'll say I totally get it. Okay, question 3 of 4, what did you learn today? Sorry, date. I learned the earth is round. Okay, submit. And then my last question says, please solve the problem on the board. So this is where you would give the students a problem on the board. So let's say it was 2 plus 2. I could type in the answer is 4. Done. And then I'm going to click finish exit ticket. And as you can see, 1 out of 1 students finished the exit ticket. You can do end activity. You can click download report. And let me get that for you so you can see that. Oh, that's the wrong one. Download exit ticket. Okay. So this is what your results will look like. So let's make it bigger. Here we go. We have my name. The first question, how well did you understand today's class? Totally got it. What did you learn today? Solve the number or solve the problem on the board, and then number of correct answers. I got a 100. And it tells you the time and everything. Okay? And so those are some other things that you can do with Socrative in your class instead of just making, pre-made quizzes. You can also use it as formative assessment, as an exit ticket, something like that for the students to take part in.